sister. Today I want to come and read for you the Bible. We understand about that the God love Israel too much, right? And then the God take care of them. Here today is I want to read for you about the love the Lord your God. Love the Lord your God. This is what is the meaning about. You should think about carefully in your life. Okay, here is that I want to start and read for you. But nyani pa ero path ko bakala ejuan nagasagi kluno. Bakala ejuan nagasagi kluine. Mita la ta la pa ishila pote pa awati tabakwa shamedo. Pagitete mala. Okay, wati ke dune ba wetalo takleti pa. Then a hotaron. Kasayua. The clue wati dune ba di baro. Kasayua. Or the thing not talking within alone. Here is the Deuteronomy chapter 6 talk about these are the commands, decrees, and laws the Lord your God directed me to teach you to observe in the land that you are crossing the Jordan to possess. This is what is the meaning about. This is the mean agiri mi tamalo do tato dota signole jua tigasa malule tu pida malule yegatolo tu ditu tugatune oro one yegatolo tu ditu tugatune o lekopu petu le mane o lekopu tu mane o. Okay, here is so that you your children and their children after them they then may fear the Lord your God as long as you live by keeping all his decrees and commandments I give you. Command I give you, and so that you may enjoy long life. Okay, you may enjoy long life. When you get to Mala Panero, Kasa you are table, let Tagita clone dilo. Look, Pane ditu nekapli jua nagasala negatoni kaye pane negatoni kaye tato do tamalu le jamaluna neda ro na pho khwa do na pho khwa ta surana do lamut muni de pha ka tho agi lo pane le muni de pha ka tho agi lo when it pakra patu pata le tagi taklu when it shiko pane ka tu ra le here O Israel, and be careful to obey so that it may go well with you and what you made increase greatly in a land flowing with milk and honey, just as the Lord, the God of your father, promised you. When you begin maluna. Payrob Dugana Israel, Dotuni ditu Dukama or ditu ta agi ta kagitolan nago, dot ditu Duka ato dudukele, di juan pa the pa agasasi panatu. Le copula a jawe dot tanity do canesolo. Copula a jawe or tanity do caneso. Here. O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your strength. I wanted to put it on pay naked to Kana tiki Israel, you are Pakistan me you are a hollow. Donamba Ejuanagasala Tukita led on the thunder planya, donagin the back hello. I want to cut to dollar tag when it's sickle. Now you need to mele. This commandment that I give you today are to be upon your hearts. Okay, I impress them on your children. Talk about them when you sit at home and when you walk along the road, when you lay down and when you get up. I want to pretend my penamino penesetter penahal clebu, darling and makatuda bakala, joa negasagi club, penicatu without delay. Do takatu tapani, lejamalona lamu misatani, ba o le na sa ki punilo do na ba to ki so ki na phoneli le o do tu na sin no lan hi pu do tu na po kle do tu na mi no do tu pagitete ma le na mi no phane tu na mi lo do tu na ge set do na ba ka tu le agi aklo lo na mi no na ge set na ha na po kle do pagina awan na ba ka tu da khale ka sin ni lo do pe ne pagitete ma le ta kwe ta le kho ni ka tu da le mo ni ti mi le tie them assemble on your heads and burn them on your foreheads. I want to packet mala, a waka to tala, tag to Wayne in Mitagila. Nabaki, Nasu do ola, tapano of war, dock a kid talk ta, a bull in the mare, a bushel. I want it, Debra. Okay, that a bull in the mare bushel. I want it, Mitala, Pagabama, or Tagataklu Winilo. Pay no packet my tie then pay right then on the doorframe of your house and on your gate. I want a packet my sickolo work without a tamata and pay sickolo. Do panero packet mala do nabakwe or learn a hidu alo do learn a trello na hidu alo learn a trello. I want a mitala nabama or sickonilo. When the Lord your God bring you into the land he swore to your first father, to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, to give you a land with largest, flourishing cities you did not build. Okay, you did not build. I want it to Martha, let Tagitaklo West Shikolo. I want a Pacatula Manitumile, paint a Tevra, Dotaka Martha, Pejuanagasa, Dulenana Sukopula, a sutar on a parapado, so Abraha, so Isse, Soyaku, Le Akahilona, we Padu, we Dogiwe, learn at the Tiba, do penny on at the Tiba, we went in at the Tiba, awake a hill on a little. The city on the Tiba Padile. House filled with all kind of good things you did not provide wells you did not dig and vineyards and olive grove you did not plant them once you eat and are satisfied. When it potato mala netama nor miba do panirana koba oba painted tevada dile do heat the papwe do tagilen netama ba do tipu cooler at that learn net kulo ba sapi alo do tisa yele net tuba do no do ble odo o and net tuba ble o panino do by do pagitete mala the siki ne ka total money mile pakle kwa pay letter mata be careful that you do not forget the Lord who brought you out of Egypt, out of the land of slavery. When it began, Mala, Nathida Balo Thapin not target the meal, Kasaya to Tata Taklu Kainilo. Pain it Tevadile, do you the Sue, Palonatha did Nathu to Thapin or Joanna, Joala at the Hataquina, La Koakupu Apu. Le paku po he put in Nirki, or when in Le paku po ipu, Le cover to a poo, or when in the Balotapinova, ero Teve Dinilo. Now by the sitter of Tevra, fill the Lord your God, serve him, all eat, and take your oath in his name. I when a packet mala, Tamata, Namapli Juanagasa. I when it sit there, Namapli Juanagasa do, Mata do, Sutala, Amilo. When the mapli ni yuanagasa, don the mamata, do sutala and me, erote tamata to the palilong. The Silwini, Tevra Lomanidma, do not follow other gods, the God of the people around you. And when in the map, Powara, Kasaga, Kiva, Pagatamala, Bakala Kasala, Olanahunaka, or when it Pagatam Dinilong. Pepakla Pagwat Sepo, to the Lepo Kasaga Paki. Pagamula o water to Aksar Paneri, I want a Pagamula o water na Aksar Pan Malopokiba. No better Tevra le tamata the sea and it for the Lord your God who is among you is a jealous God, and his angels will burn against you, and he will destroy you from the face of the land. I want to picture mala kasala jealous Satan make kasala attack mano picture mandino kasala attack. I want to pakatura thidin etu kasala attack lo. Pay it table delay away, Agiri Yuanagasane make a sala attack ta but taragala tikla attack ta tegala tikla Yuanagasa ta talk get tomba punado kama hagaba punala haku klelo Yuagasane kata tona dokama hago quinala haku kle David dinilo no pay no pagla qualo to see huni teva polominity system pain it Do not test the Lord your God as you did as Messiah. I want to put malan and balo makwai yuanakasawa. Test the Lord. Pain it there are two live saw to kasadi, two live saw le massa puatonidgi massa. Pain it put malan no a more party live sora. Live saw Kasayala, no picture mala tanava. Little letaki when it always second law. Paylord Katuet Sinuni Katuelamunitimile. Be sure to keep the commands of the Lord your God and the Spirit Panera stipulation and decrees he has given you. Okay, I want to put it away hilona. No, tubatuni the potter you are to sata maludo ata uata do ata tutatol amalunalo. Atauta atatutatol amaluna. Okay, we made dinner or painted sikoni, teva parliamentimile, peculiar paid support sikon. Do what is right and good in the Lord's sight, so that it may go well with you and you may go in and take over the good land that the Lord promised on earth to your first father. I want to put it in Never do not say or tap away, Pay Debradile, Legato, Le Aka Hotokui, Nadina Dakala Lenemania, Dijua, Katu Tatonilo. Dona ba mata la ato do agi le jwa menya ditu ta agi ta kagi thola no do ditu nekale pane kagi thola no ditu nekale no do mani ko agi le jwa asuta do na parpha le aka hota kuin din da kele menya di jwa katuta atonilo paine bigden ma ta sikwini katu wala lo monitimile Trusting out of all your enemy. Okay. Thrusting off all your enemies before you, as the Lord said. I want to make a kasaywa katudanelo. In the future, when your son asks you what is the meaning of the stipulations, decrees, and law the Lord our God has commanded you. I want to put it mala kasayua maluna ni mem tint mile. Put it mala paini. Dina pu kwa katikwana keko do se ta ata do ta malu do ta sinyo le yua malu tini me dile nilo. Me dile nido pay do katuta lo monitimile. Kisite negatu dilo. Tell him we will slay off Pharaohs in Egypt, but the Lord brought us out of Egypt with a mighty hand. I want to tell you na makatu taro na poni lumunitimile. Penny na basisya na pokwa pamiti Pharaoh aku apua tapa akubutu apu do yuan do hatakwe pala akubutu apu do asusu no. I want to you do hatakwe pala. The miller pagasa haron meva. No pay no paga tete mala kisiki negatuda palomunitimile. Kisiki negatuda. Before our eyes, the Lord sends miraculous sign and wonder, great and terrible, Reuben, Egypt, and Pharaoh and his whole household. I want to put the mala a catuda upon it. Number season of qua permit Paro occur par pala akutu, do you are to hatok with pala akutu, do a susulo, do you are here, Lord tapano lolado, talo lola, a do anile akutu, a pocola paro alone, do le a poa hipo alone, le pemenyalo. I want to pot no, tamata, let takitaklu to the panel. Kissithan a bus he brought out from when I asked out from there here to bring us in and give us the land that he promised on earth to our forefather. I want to make dollar away heko wala heso wala tagi way ni long. Do pay ni paketete mala kisitha ni tamata do hatok we pa penny ditu akadu lenopa ditu akahilo pa letio ko le asuta no paparapa. Pagten ma sutara parpa le agi eklulo awani pagten manelo no the siluni katutara pa kisiluni katutara pa lo minitimile the laws command us to obey all these decrees and to fear the Lord our God so that we might always prosper and be kept alive as is the case today. That it is case today. Let us know whatever the Lord does you are malo pa dear to pakatuni tamalo the pa equal dear to pakapli you are pakasala patagi ago dear to agado mude po the boy you call the lamu satan e atonilo. I want a bapli kasayo. No awagado mude po David dinilo. No pero pakitete mana lock it sene whatever that deal. Last one is and if we are careful to obey all this law before the Lord our God as he has commanded us, that will be our righteousness. I want to tell me tala tagilo pogolo. I want to get to that dopamine. Palo pata ditu pakatuni ke yeta malu kele le jwa menya di amalo pa atudo ke keto ta tota lo le pogolo righteousness. Righteousness ne mitalo ta tota lo ni lo. Keto ta tota lo pogolo. When it mitalo love the Lord your God. When it mita ejwa ne kasa agini lo. Moya suke gritara sweep work one and God blesses his word and blesses us all. Thank you so much, my friends. See you next time. Bye bye.